Hey guys, Chris from Provo Audio Installation, and in today's video we're just doing a very quick update of what's been going on here in the Provo Beast garage. Now obviously you can see behind me, we've been working hard this last week doing cabinets, lighting, paint, everything for our shop space. Now before we actually jump into showing you the time lapse of that update, we did want to remind you that our 500th video giveaway, the Skar Audio Bass Package, is ending here in the next couple of days. So go ahead, check the description. We'll have the link there for that giveaway so you can get yourself entered if you haven't done so yet. I believe we have about 3 days left on the giveaway. Once that time has closed and we have announced the winner, we will get that Skar Audio Bass Package shipped on out to that winner. Lastly here, before we jump in and show you the time lapse and everything that we've been working on here in the garage, wanted to show you, we also have Herbie, is what we've named him. We have a 66 bug here in the garage as well. Hopefully we'll get some content up with Herbie here soon and do an official unveiling a little bit later this year. Now that's about all the time that I have in this video today. Again, be sure to get yourself entered in the giveaway. And without further ado, here's our quick little time lapse of our shop build update. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.